Hello. Today we will learn English conversation practice for beginners. I hope you will learn and enjoy my video.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Nepal.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch videos.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
Where do you live?
I live in Kathmandu.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Sunday.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have been to America.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and chicken.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is school event.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Great Dasai.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have many hobbies.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love to dance.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't have any phobias.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Can you drive car?
Yes, I can drive car.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes, I believe in ghosts.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruits is apple.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I am not afraid of heights. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.